water plumbing services, doing some plumbing project here in Ndola. We are in Ndola now. Palava hand wash basin. So these are valves. This is waste pipe. Then local. Same waste pipe, valves. Then clear side clear. Palava kitchen sink clear. So hapa tuli Ndola.